Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Massdrop Falcon Forge design Falcon here with me for a quick review. This is made by Knives in China. It's a frame lock, titanium frame lock with 6.8 inch overall length and 3.9 inch when closed. It has like pretty thick slabs of titanium, nice titanium backspacer. It's sporting an S35VN steel right over here. Overall length of the blade is 2.9 inches with a flat grind, nice swedge going on, pretty much full belly. The sound this guy makes is this. So it's very interesting. It's classy in a way because it's unobtrusive and pretty distinctive because it's not loud and it's a finer sound, I would say. The weight in the pocket is 3.6 ounces. It has a very nicely designed titanium pocket clip. It's milled out from a solid little chunk of titanium. Very nice and thin right over here. This is gonna be pretty springy, beautiful clip ramp going on. And the highlight of this one, guy, is the grip. This is extremely well in your hand. This is gonna feel like great. Beautiful finger choil going on. Basically no hot spots whatsoever. There's some jimping right over here. The action is very smooth. This guy is running on bearings and you know, drop shots like that. It doesn't really have a guillotine effect, but overall it's pretty smooth. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and thanks for watching, but stay tuned.